I love it. Straight pipe fuel mower. I might make that exhaust so I can temporarily put it on there when I need to. But little update on the pony, or the used to the pony 700. Painted the rims up real nice. I took my radio off because it was just becoming more of a hassle than it's worth. Plus, I really have no more use, as I really don't want to dunk that head unit for no reason. I mean, I can get them pretty easily, but let me turn the radio down. Yep, a little 700 update. Put a stack on her, painted the rims, welded this new bumper on there. It sticks out a good, probably I think 13 inches. I measured it out to. I've decided I'm probably not going to give this thing a bath very often. I kind of like it when it's dirty, so. Yep, new update on the rims. Steering reworked. I rewelded the gear. Let me grab my bag to lay on. If you guys don't have a creeper, mine's in storage. Take a like a 50-gallon trash bag and cut it up. Works like a charm. Keep you out of the dirt. But anyhow, sandblasted that at school and welded new teeth onto it. Now I can steer away. It's definitely a different steering setup, but that's the update. That's a homemade keyway, don't mind that. I lost mine on the first romp up my buddies, so yep, there she is. That was only 3,000 RPM. Crank it up to 5, I'll really be cooking. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.